be switching out that H-Series fixed bullet. It's performed very well. The only thing I don't like about it, it's white and it stands out like a sore thumb against that black background. Normally, I don't really care about things like this, but this is our area where we sit a lot. I really want it to look attractive, want it to look good. We have guests over. Don't want things sticking out like a sore thumb, especially security cameras. So I'm gonna swap that out with a black camera to see what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna swap that camera out with the black Goswift camera. We got the Goswift 4K bullet in black and white. I'm gonna use black. I'd really like to use a turret up there, but where the camera's positioned, I think the turret, the infrared would probably reflect off that speaker up there. So I need something that sticks out a little more. So this black bullet's gonna be perfect. Also, as you can see, that white cable is standing out against that against that black background. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can paint it with this Sharpie. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. Alright, so there's a finished product. I'm very happy with it. It's amazing just what kind of difference it made changing out that white camera to a black camera, and then of course using that magic marker on that white cable where it starts right there where that black siding is. So now when I look up at it and we're just sitting around here with some guests, it's not going to stick out like a sore thumb anymore. So this just goes to show you, if you want to have video surveillance on your home or business, but you also want it to be aesthetically pleasing, you can do that. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help you. And thanks for watching.